The Bosch B36CD50SNS Refrigerator includes a built-in ice maker that automatically produces fresh ice once the system is properly configured. To get the best performance, the refrigerator needs the correct temperature, a steady water supply, and enough time for the ice maker to complete its production cycles. If everything is set correctly, the appliance can generate ice consistently for daily use. With a few simple checks and adjustments, you can ensure the ice maker operates efficiently. Try these. Step 1. Open the freezer compartment and make sure the ice maker switch is turned on so the system can begin producing ice. Step 2. Check the freezer temperature setting and adjust it to around 0 degrees Fahrenheit for optimal ice formation. Step 3. Inspect the water supply line connected to the refrigerator and confirm the household water valve is fully open. Step 4. Allow the refrigerator 12 to 24 hours to complete the first ice production cycle, especially after installation or reset. Step 5. Periodically empty or loosen the ice bin to prevent cubes from clumping, ensuring new ice drops into the container properly.